I'm Shelley Bowden and I've been working with Lewes Castle on the Lewes Castle audio app. The app was developed to enable visitors to have an audio trail around the museum and also around Lewes Castle. And this is particularly helpful for blind and partially sighted visitors because we hope it will give them an independent visit to the venue. The Lewes Castle app is free to download. Just search for Lewes Castle on App Store or Google Play. If you download the app at the castle, there's free Wi-Fi access in the reception area. Once you've downloaded the app, remember to download the two tours within the app, the castle tour and the museum tour. The app's really easy to use. Within your phone settings, you need to allow the app to access your phone's location settings for the app to work. Make sure you've turned on the audio on your phone and the Bluetooth in your settings because the trails use hotspots around the museum and castle. Autoplay will be on automatically when you start the app. This means that the tour will play automatically as you move around the site, so you can just keep your phone in your pocket as you walk around and enjoy the tour. But if you prefer, you can turn off autoplay and just listen to the clips individually. To experience the trail at its best, use your headphones, but if you've forgotten them, you can borrow them from the front desk. We really hope you enjoy using the app and the immersive experience of the audio trail, but if you've got any more questions, just go to the front desk in the museum or search for Lewes Castle on the internet.
Sensing Culture has been delivered by Sussex Past and funded by the Heritage Lottery Fund.